Hello friends, in previous video we have seen the story came on the climax. The story gets that very strange turn, and that turn means that very strange that justice that the king was going to give with that thief and with that disciple also. Actually, the disciple has no any hand in that the death of that the thief. But without any crime or without any mistake, the king gave order his guard to hang to that disciple and take the life of that disciple in for instead of that means in place of that the thief's life. Then that in this way very strange the king was going to do the justice with that thief. At last the king gave order to his guard that drag to that disciple to the gallows and hang him at last at once that without any delay. And when the guard drag him out the court, here in the court the king was boasting and says that what that this Andheri Nagri means it is very famous for the great justice, and to make delay to the justice means it is denied to justice, and this is not fair for Andheri Nagri. Plus that he said that in Andheri Nagri actions speak louder than the words, so that I do not want to speak but I want to show my action. And in this way that all people very silently they were listening the speech of the king, and that means boasting of the king. And in this way the speech was going on means the explanation of the king was going on that complaint. Until then the this silence broke out by the voices, by through the by making the way through the people. The guard again came back in front of the king, and the king again became very much angry. Why? It is already late to give the justice, and why again you bring out this disciple in front of me? The king became very angry. Why that? If you do not want to hang him, then what? That punishment will give to you guard. Then guard also became very fearful and said that, oh your highness, oh loyal king, oh majesty, we were that just they were near the gallows, and just they were in that ready to hang out this disciple. But till then there came this great sage. The guard said that he is very loyal and very holy man and very wise man. The second guard said that what? He that restricted and requested us to hang to himself means that sage. That sage means sadhu. That sadhu said that he had to hang me instead of that innocent person. That innocent person means disciple. In the beginning the guard thought that he is a madman, but that disciple explained he is not mad, but he is very great wise sage. And the disciple said that here he is the himself the disciple of that great wise, that holy person means great sage, and he is in great sense. And very silently he is requested, very politely he requested to the guard, please that don't hang him, but instead of his life, take his life. Then the guard thought that year, why that year? Anybody that year sacrifices his life for simple disciple. Then that guard thought that year, definitely something is problem. And for solving this problem, again they came back in front of the king. By listening this story, the king also confused and then he asked its explanation to the sage. And king said that here, oh great holy person, holy sage, why do you want to sacrifice your life instead of this disciple? Why? Then first, then also the sage remained silent. But again, after some time, the king again asked, oh holy person, please explain your, why do you want? I am eager to listen the reason of your sacrifice. Then again the sage remained silent. At last, something angrily, the king demanded, I want explanation. But again, that the great sage opened his mouth and said that only, oh kind king, oh your majesty, please don't hang my disciple. Instead of that, my disciple, please hang me. And then again the king said that here, but why? What is the reason behind your this strange request? At last, then the sage said that here, it is not possible me to explain the reason behind my sacrifice. Then the king said, no, I want the reason of behind your this strange request. At last, the sage opened his mouth and he hesitated to explain the reason, and he said that it has been predicted by the great prophets, means it has been said that it has been written and it has been told by a great prophet and about the future of this country, the future about this Andher Nagri. And this means again here the sage stopped silent and he said that here, no, it is not possible me to explain the reason behind my this strange that request. But here this time the king became very angry and he demanded, no, I want my answer. And what that? The reason behind your strange request. Why do you want to lost your life instead of this simple disciple? At last, that he showed, actually the sage pretended that he was helpless, and helplessly he opened his mouth and said that it was predicted that. And what is that prediction? What is that the future of this Andheri Nagri? That the king as well as those people who were present in that court, all those were very silent and they were eager to listen the speech of this holy person. Again the sage opened and he said that it is said that in today's day is a very lucky day, It is very special day. But for those who again he stopped. The king was very eager to know. He could not stop. And then again he said, "Tell me that next, what that next? Who is that here lucky?" And said that those person will be hanged in this Andheri Nagri. That person is very lucky for today. This today's day is a very special day for that person, and that person will be selected as a next king for this Andheri Nagari. By listening this, all were very surprised. King as well as other people were also, and that the sage explained that next king will be very powerful and he will reign for a long time. He will make that the king very much prosperous this country. He will make lot of development in this country, and for a long time he will he will remain as a king in this country for a long time. And definitely his great stories will be read the next and next many generations, and all those generation will keep this king, means that great sage name, in their mind for next millions of years. And then they will give that year prestige, and that they will keep this sage name in their mind as a god place. By listening this great story and strange prediction of that great sage, the silence was already broken, and people were astonishedly and surprisingly they were doing discussion. Plus that what the king also disturbed, and by listening very strange story, king also could not stop himself, and said that no, that he gave order to his guard. Means by hanging yourself, you want to be great king of this next king of this great Andheri Nagri, and you wanted to make this Nagri again greater and greater. Then by seeing this surprising, no, I do not want to miss this chance. The next king will be myself. The next king means nobody there, but I am there. And by seeing that, I want to be the king of the prosperous country, and I would be get that great prestige from my people. By seeing this and by imagination of this next great country, the king gave order to his guard that know that disciple and know that sage also, but you have to hang to myself, means to the king. By listening this order, strange order, that the guard and other people were astonished. What is the great and very strange wish of this king and very strange order of this king, that other people understood the secret of that great sage, but the king could not understand. Then at last, as by his order, the king said, no, no more delay and no more let that here, let's me drag to the gallows. Okay, see that here, I am going to the gallows and hang me myself for that. Then in this way, at last the king very speedily, and as that running, he went to the gallows and said, goodbye, all of you, and see you in the next world and next prosperous country. And he said goodbye to all his people and great sage. Actually, here it is very funny story. This is the end of that story, no doubt. But here that the king was not so wise, but wise was that holy person, great sage. That great sage, he saved the life from the that very strange king. And not only that disciple, but the great sage saved the kingdom from the mad king. And in this way, at last, it is not given, but it is only for the funny. That last, what is the end of this story? You have to prepare yourself and enjoy this story by reading two times this story, and you have to solve the exercise. Thank you.